Hello, Reading Group 1. Okay, today we're going to be working on some spelling practice. You've been working hard on learning new letters and putting those letters together in words. We're going to practice spelling today. Okay, so I want you to get your sheet of notebook paper ready. We've done one of these before, but it's been a while, so I'm going to go through how to set it up. So you can push pause at any time if you need to go get a sheet of notebook paper or you want to take some time to get this set up. So we're going to fold it long ways once, twice, and 3 times to get those creases in there so it'll help us trace them. So you're going to fold it 3 times going the long way. Okay, and then you're going to skip that first line and start number 1 and then skip a line every time going all the way to 10. They can put their little roofs at the top, but I want you to trace this first fold, trace the second fold, trace the third fold. Then they can put their roof line at the top just so that they've got something that looks like what we're used to using in the classroom, just using a sheet of notebook paper. Make sure you put your name and your date at the top, and we are ready to get started. So push pause if you need to catch up with me. Okay, so remember when we do spelling, we're listening for our friends, and if we hear our friends, we always write them down first, and we're going to put them in that middle room right there in the middle. So if you hear the friends saying their name the right way, put them down. If you hear them saying the wrong sound, they're not making the right sound at all, put a big X. Okay, we will be writing our friends in the middle room, and then we will be going back and filling in the other rooms to spell the whole word. So here we go. Word number 1 is rain. Rain. Watch me drag my finger, and I want you to tell me if the friends are making the right sound or the wrong sound. Rain. Rain. Did our friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? If they made the right sound, put them down. If you heard the friends say, oh, put them down. If you heard the wrong sound, put an X. If you hear the right sound, you need to fill in the other rooms to spell rain. If you put an X because they're not making the right sound, just leave these rooms empty. You're done. Okay? So, for rain, I heard the friends make the wrong sound. Did you? Okay, so we should have an X, and then we don't have to put anything else. So in this middle room beside number 1, you're going to have an X because they made the wrong sound in the word rain. And then we're just going to leave these other 2 rooms empty, and we're going to be done. We're going to move on to number 2. Word number 2 is road. Watch me drag my finger. Road. Did you hear the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? Either write the friends down or put an X. Road. Now let's go back and fill in the other rooms around our friends. If you wrote the friends down, fill in the other rooms. So the word was road. What sound makes the What letter is that? Road. Road. Okay, when you're done, we're going to move on to number 3. Number 3 is loaf. 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 A loaf of bread. Loaf. Did you hear the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? Loaf. If you put the friends down, fill in the other rooms to spell loaf. Push pause whenever you need to. Okay, moving on to number 4. So you should have word 2 and 3 done. Loaf. Now we're going to move on to number 4. Number 4 is coal. We use coal to cook hamburgers. Coal. Coal. Did you hear the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? Coal. Coal. What sound do we hear here and here? If you put the friends down, you need to fill in the other rooms to make the word coal. Word number 5 is soar. Soar. Watch me drag. Soar. Did you hear the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? Soar. Write the friends down or put an X. If you put the friends down, fill in the other letters to make the word soar. Soar. This one's kind of hard to hear because remember when the is at the end, it sometimes changes the sound of our friends. Soar. Okay, word number 6. We're all the way down here on our paper, already. 6 is roar. Let's try it. Roar. Did you hear the friends? Roar. If you hear the friends, put them down. If you hear something different, put an X. If you hear the friends, go back and fill in the other rooms. Roar. Roar. Okay, when you're ready, we're going to move on to word number 7. Word number 7 is soap. 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 I need to use soap to clean the dishes. Soap. Did you hear the friends or the wrong sound? Soap. If you hear the friends and you put them down, fill in the other rooms. Soap. Okay, when you're ready, we're going to move on to word number 8. Word number 8 is foal. A foal is a baby horse. Foal. 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 Did you hear the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? Listen carefully. Foal. Foal. Okay, if you put the friends down, fill in the other rooms. Foal. All right, word number 9 is tail. Tail. The dog has a tail. Watch me drag. Tail. Tail. Did the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? If you put the friends down, fill in the other rooms. If you put the X, leave these rooms empty. Tail. Tail. And our last word, number 10, is deer. Let's try it. D-ear. A deer in the forest. D-ear. Did you hear the friends make the right sound or were they making the wrong sound? D-ear. Deer. If you put the friends down, fill in the other rooms to spell d-ear. If you put the X down because they're making the wrong sound, just leave the X, leave these rooms empty. Deer. Okay, I hope you did good. I can't wait to see how you did it. Let's look at our practice worksheets for this week. Here is page 24, okay? 24. We've got, look at all these words we have learned how to read. Aren't you super proud of yourself? You know how to read all of those. That's a whole bunch of words that we've learned. Make sure that you read the word using your steps, find the right picture that matches it, and draw a line from the word to the picture, okay, that it matches. All right, so that's your first one. We don't have a whole lot of worksheets left, do we? This is going to be our last one right here. This is our last worksheet. So we're going to do, this is page 36. It's just like the other page. There's just not as many words to practice with. So read the word, find the right picture that matches it, draw a line to it, okay? So that's just a little bit of practice on worksheets. Now for reading. Remember I said the last lesson that I wanted you to read that one and save this set? Well, now we're going to read this set. So we're on page 6, and this is section C on page 6. I want you to read these sentences, and I want you to draw pictures of them. Tell me what they mean by drawing me a picture. So remember, Mom, you can help with this word right here because this is not one that we've learned how to sound out. So you can help them with that one. They need to read these that have the O and the A in them. They need to read those by themselves. And you can help them with the steps if you need to. And then they're going to draw me a picture. So it would be helpful if they copied the sentence, or you could copy the sentence for them, which would be a little bit of a time saver. So if you want to write this sentence on a piece of paper for them and then let them read it and draw a picture, that would be great. So it'll be kind of like a little reading comprehension to see if they know what they're reading. Okay, that's it for this lesson. We only have one lesson left. Can you believe it? It's been a journey, hasn't it? The next time we come back together, we're going to play a game. We're not even going to do a lesson. We're just going to play a game and have fun together because it will be our last time together before summer. It's almost here. Okay, I love you bunches and I miss you.